Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the ESR accessories. So we have the protective case, this is the cloud case, and then we have the HaloLock Kickstand. This is a MagSafe slash wireless charger that has a built-in kickstand, and it's basically half the cost of MagSafe. So we're going to be checking these out. Thanks to ESR for sending them out. So let's get into the case first. So it says right here, put it on, look awesome. This is the blue one for the iPhone 12. Take it out. All right, so right here we have a giveaway thing here. Right here you have a way to how to keep your case clean and some other information. All right, so here's the case. Wow, really nice. So this is what the case looks like. It feels really good. This is a silicone case, similar to the Apple branded MagSafe one. You have branding right here, ESR, I don't know if you can see that. You have a loophole here, so you can put it on a keychain, volume rockers, and the silent switch. So let's just go ahead and insert the case here. So that's what it looks like. It's very slim, and it has obviously your flash and microphone cutout. It's really perfect. It says Camera Guard Pro right here. It has a nice lip for the camera as well as some resistivity on the screen. So you have some protection on there. Overall, this feels like a really good case. I really like it. It's going to be my new main case, so thank you for that. And then next we have the Halo Kickstand. So this is the reason why I like this one, which I obviously asked for. This one is really good because obviously it's half the cost and it has a detachable cable. So here it is. We have a user manual here. Very clear instructions on how to use it and some setup information. Right here you have a Type-C to Type-C cable. It says DC 9 volt, so that's pretty good. It's a 5-foot cable. And then right here you have the actual device. Now this is really slim. As you can see, it's really slim. It's made into like an aluminum and some plastic. And then right here you have the gloss. So that's where the actual magnets go. That looks really nice. Right here the Type-C port. And then right here you have the kickstand, which is really, really sturdy actually. So that's what that looks like. And then right here you just have some, it's just comparing the two, so fast charging and slow charging. If you choose the right cable for fast charging and using the right case for it, like if it has one that has a non-magnetic case and it's a thick case, it won't really go through. Free replacement for any issue, so it should just snap on and it just works like that. It's that simple. I could even hold my phone with this. That's how strong the magnets are. Pretty strong magnet. It's going to show you without the case. So this is what it, without the case here. It's still pretty good. Yeah, it's still pretty good magnet. So if you have a thin case or an Apple branded case or even this ESR cloud case with the magnets here, it won't be really this case. I love this case. And then obviously you can use this. It's detachable, unlike the MagSafe one where you can't detach the cable, which sucks because if you need to, you know, like replace the cable eventually since it's gonna get bent or whatever, it's not gonna be able to do that. And for MagSafe, you're gonna be bending the cable a lot, so you can't use it really in bed that much. I have a Type-C fast cable here, which I can then plug in here, plug it in like that, and now we have 15 watts of fast charging. And then I can go ahead and sleep basically on this side. When I'm on my bed watching YouTube, when I'm laying down, I could just easily put my phone like this without bending the cable previously. I could even turn this so I could put it like that straight up and it won't be able to bend any cables on either side when watching YouTube. So that's a game changer. Let's go ahead and pop it off. Let's see how fast it is. It's really quick. I'm surprised on how quick it is. So yeah, that's really cool. It doesn't even, like, I could get used to it. It's not a whole big difference. It's very thin to the point where it doesn't really make a huge difference to your phone. And I just really like this case. I've never had a silicone case. I know it does attract a lot of dust, but this feels super good in the hands. Previously, I had a case that doesn't make the edges as the phone is, like a nice square design. You can't really appreciate that unless you have the perfect case, and this case will do that. So yeah, that's really cool. And now let's go ahead and show you off the kickstand here. So this basically automatically adjusts So you can put it at any angle and it'll have like enough strength to stay at that angle, which is amazing. So you could keep it like this, it'll automatically prop up. And then you can watch your YouTube videos like that. So that's really amazing, as you can see. Super cool. And then on the back, actually, it does say some information here. It says 5 volt, 3 amps, all the way up to 9 volt, 2 amp. Very nice product here. I highly recommend you guys checking this out. I'm actually really surprised on how good this is. All right, so our new devices, it's been a few days, and I do love these new ESR devices that they have sent. As you can see, I don't remember if I did the B-roll for it, but when I'm laying down, I've already tested it for 3 days now. You can literally watch YouTube while laying down and not stress your cable. So like you can lay down, use it on the phone this side or this side without stressing the cable. There's only one downside to the MagSafe charger is when it gets kind of hot. So if you don't like touching the back of it, it does get kind of hot. But other than that, it will not catch fire. It won't get anything damaged. It's perfectly safe. It just gets hot. And that's like that with a lot of wireless chargers because of the copper coils. It's meant to be getting warm. Yeah, but that's just my experience. I'm not sure about MagSafe on the Apple version, but this one, yeah. And also for the case, I love the case. It has a nice feeling to it. I thought it would get dirty really quick. This is day-to-day use and I haven't even cleaned it. You could probably see some smudges and some lint here and there, but it does clean over time on its own because it's made out of a silicone. But it's really insane how good that the case is, and it feels super amazing. I love the feeling of it. It has super tactile buttons. They're very responsive. They work perfectly. The resivity of the cameras make it so you can actually put it on a surface without scratching your lenses. Love that. And perfect cutouts on the bottom. One downside for this case is that on the charging port, like a loop droop, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's really, really weak on this port right here, as you can see. So if that's going to be an issue for you sometimes, then yeah, that's one thing to take in consideration. But everything else about this case is perfect. And I just love, it's not that hard to take out either. It's not easy to take out on its own, but it's easy to take out when you're actually trying, if that makes sense. You know, it won't accidentally come off. But yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. It has a little microfiber lining in the inside as well, so it won't scratch up your phone, and it doesn't. Really nice case. I highly recommend this case. They have many different colors. I just went with blue because it matches with the phone, obviously, and obviously I have a ton of blue stuff. I also have red stuff too, but this side of my room is going to be blue. So this right here comes in black and white. So if you want it to look matching to your device, or just if you have a favorite color, then yeah, you can do that. Works amazing. And I did the test. It does charge at 15 watts and it takes from 0. I tested it from 20 to 40% in 30 minutes. So 20% in 30 minutes. It's a decently fast charger. It's, you know, faster than MagSafe out there and other chargers. It's not the fastest, it's not the slowest, it's mid-range. It's pretty good for the price. Remember, it's only $19, which is a steal. And if it goes on sale for Prime Day, I highly recommend you guys to pick this up. Must have. Maybe do a combo. Like, if you're gonna get this, might as well get this. It just works perfectly. Oh, and another thing, this little 3-in-1 charger, it doesn't work with most cases, but this case, it works perfectly and it stays on really securely, which is amazing. So this case is amazing for that reason. Most cases I've tried don't really work with that MagSafe 3-in-1 station, but this one works amazingly well. I really love it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Links in the description to buy.